Let us look at an example of virtual functions. See here, already I have a base class which we have already seen having a function called fun, and it is displaying a message that is fun of base. There is a derived class which is inheriting from base class, and it is overriding function fun, and it is displaying a message that is fun of derived. So this is function overriding. We have already seen function overriding. Now inside the main function, I will create an object of derived class D, and I will call the function fun. So let us quickly see which function will be called. Already we know about this one, but let us do it once more. Function of derived class is called function of derived. In the previous demo we have seen we can create a pointer of base class and assign the object of derived class. Yes, we have already seen that. Now using the pointer of base class, I will call the function fun. The importance of this line is importance of this line is it's having a base class pointer and object of derived class, that is D. And I'm calling a function that is function fun, which is actually present in both the classes, that is base class function fun as well as derived class function fun. Here two things are joined together, that is base class pointer and derived class object. So when the function fun, that is overridden function fun, is called, whose function will be called? Let us run and see. Oh, function of base means the function is called based on a pointer, not based on object. That's what this happens in C++, but in Java it doesn't happen like this. It will directly call the function of derived class. But C++ gives a power that if you want to call base class function, let it be as it is. And if you want to call the derived class function, then you have to write virtual. Now let us see a base class function. I will say it's not real. I will say it is virtual. Now base class is having a function fun which is virtual, and the derived class is overriding that function. Now again the same situation, that is base class pointer and a derived class object, and we are calling a function that is fun which is overridden function. Let us see what happens now. Oh, function of derived is called. Yes, that's it. When a base class function is declared as virtual, then the function call will not be based on the pointer, it will be based on the object. So fun will call the function of derived class. This is what happens in real life. Already I have given you an example of basic car and an advanced car. I will show that example in next video.